Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix FB dating option not showing on your Facebook. So firstly, let me show you here. If FB dating option is not showing in your Facebook, then first thing is need to do that. What you need to do is just simply open Play Store and you have to search for Facebook and make sure that you have an updated version of Facebook. If you have, then what you need to do is just simply go back from here, and then you have to turn on location for Facebook. Just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on apps or app management, and from here you have to search for Facebook, and you have to tap on permissions and make sure that you have allow location from here, and after that check whether it's showing or not. And if it's still not showing, make sure that you are over 18. If you are under 18, then you will not be able to see this option. So after your 18th birthday, you will be able to see this option. And if you are above 18 and this option is not showing, then what you need to do is just simply uninstall your Facebook and restart your phone, and then reinstall it again and check if this option is showing or not. And still if it's not showing, then what you need to do is just simply change your country origin, because this option is not valid or not available in your country. So you have to change your country origin. So after changing it, you will be able to see this option. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.